Buying insurance online can be cheap. They can have some very, very low rates, especially when you review declaration pages and realize that you have a $43,000 wind and hail deductible. Last summer, I was working with an individual that was in the process of purchasing their home. Through the process, they were getting a couple different rates, and they ended up going with an online company. About 12 months later, he reaches back out to me and says he wants to review things again. He's been looking at his policy and noticed a couple things that he didn't care for. He sends me his current declaration pages before I get started, and on the declaration pages, I notice his deductibles are higher than I have ever seen before. On a personal homeowner's policy, I think maybe $10,000 is the maximum I've ever seen. This guy for wind and hail claims has a $43,000 deductible. For $43,000, you could have the wind blow off your entire roof, and that is fully self-funded. You could have hail, significant hail damage, need your entire roof replaced on your house, on a garage, on a barn, and for $43,000, you're probably still going to be paying out of pocket. I've said it before, I'll say it again, just be careful when it comes to purchasing insurance online. Oftentimes, you're just trying to look for the lowest price, and those direct online companies will give you magically that lowest price, and you think that it's fantastic until there's a time of a claim and you realize your deductible is $43,000. I care about my clients. I care about what we provide for them and how we can be there for them at the time of a claim. I don't want to point fingers and say that direct online companies don't care, but it's a different relationship when you're working with someone that's in a whole nother state and you're just trying to meet a price compared to working with a local agent that is truly looking out for your best interest and finding a policy that's going to fit not just for you at closing, but going to make sense for you in the long run. So looking out for your best interest, I would suggest to please be careful with purchasing online, or even better, just avoid it. It's not going to be a lower price. It's not going to be a better claim service. It's not going to be a better servicing of the policy. Everything that you magically think is possible with your online insurance company is going to be possible if you find the right independent agent.